Hello student, in this class we learn Extrude tool. So first I create a sphere and press F4 to show the edges and then convert this as a editable poly. You can extrude vertex, edge, border, polygons, all these subdivisions. You can also check if I click on the vertex in the edit vertices, Extrude tool is available here, and if I change this edit edge, Extrude tool is also available here, and if I click on the border, so Extrude tool is also available here, and polygon subdivision, Extrude tool is also available here. First I select vertices and then right click. Extrude tool is also available on the right click. These are caddy control parameters. In the first parameter you can increase the amount of extrude, and the second parameter to increase the base, like this. If you want to apply this extrusion, click on the apply button. If you want to apply and continue, click on the second icon, and if you want to cancel, click on the third icon. I click on the cancel icon. Now I select edges and choose extrude tool from the command panel. Same parameter also available here. You can increase extrude amount and increase the base, and these options are same. You can apply and continue, and cancel. I cancel this again. Now we switch to polygon. I select polygon from the front viewport. Polygons are selected, and choose extrude tool from the right click. In this extrude tool caddy control, first parameter is extrusion type. By default group is assigned. It's mean if you increase the extrusion amount, so it's extrude in a direction like this. And second extrusion type is local normal. It's mean these faces extrude in the facing axis like this. And third parameter is by polygon. It's mean polygon extrude in the facing direction but separately. So these are three different type of extrusion. You can also use extrude tool on the border subdivision, but we take another example. So first I delete this and create a cylinder. And change the cylinder parameters. Height segment 15 and side 30. Now convert this as a editable poly and delete the top polygon. So first select polygon subdivision. When you delete a polygon, it create a open edge. It's called border. So first select this border. If you want to provide thickness on this edge, you can choose extrude tool. Click on the setting button. In the parameters, you can increase the extrusion amount like this, or the easy way is by using shift key. So I cancel this. So first select scale tool and then press shift key and scale inside. So border extrude inside like this. And if you want to extrude in the down direction, so first switch to selection tool and then press shift key and move in the negative z direction like this. So first I switch to left viewport and move. Now select scale tool again and press shift key and scale in the inside. If you want to fill this hole, you can choose cap tool. Cap tool is available here. Click. So hollow area is filled by cap tool. Now we create a handle for this curve. So first I select a polygon and then click on the hinge from edge setting button. It's also a extrude tool. Click on this button. In this caddy control, third parameter is for picking hinge. So first I pick a hinge. Suppose it's a hinge. it's a center point. When you increase the extrusion amount, so it's increased, but you have to increase the connections like this and then increase the extrusion amount. So tool this tool extrude a polygon from a hinge by using extrusion amount or connections like this, and then apply. You can also create this handle by using extrude along a spline. So first we create a spline. I create this spline from the front viewport by using arch tool like this, and then place this nearby cup. Okay, it's good. Now select the polygon, and the facing polygon is this, and then click on the extrude along spline setting button. And in this caddy control, this parameter related to picking any spline. So first I click on this and then pick this spline like this. First parameter is related to connections. You can increase the connections for increasing smoothness. And these parameters provide some scaling or twisting effect like this. Right click to reset. For apply, click on the OK button like this. So you can create this handle by using extrude along spline or hinge from edge, both tools. But the result is little bit different, so you can choose any tool. So these are different extrude tool. In the next class, we learn some more tools. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Now we meet in the next class.